morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today the fact we are going habibganj, like me and my mom. We're going to pick one of my dearest friend, and like due to privacy reasons I won't be showing like my friend's face because privacy matters, but I will be giving you a big huge tour of habibganj station. And it's like, wow, you are gonna get very surprised to see the station, like it's in a station, railway station. But let me tell you, we just have to look at it. I haven't looked at it, but I have just heard lot of stuff about that station, and it's like, oh my god, the station is very nice, it's huge and everything. So we're gonna go and check them out. So let's go with me. We all gonna go there, like after I came, because right now I'm like, I have to go to my NGO, and you know the drill. I have to go, then I'll be come back, and then I'm ready. Oh good. So you guys have to see my fit today. Here we go. This is my today's fit. It's a checked shirt with the blue jeans, and don't mind my slippers. And hear me. Hi guys. Mwah. Okay, why? You know it's focusing. You don't have to focus. That's okay. So this was it, I guess. Let's just go there and just go and explore some nice place. And let's go. Let's go and pick my friend up, because right now I'm going. अभी हम ओला बुक करें जो हो नहीं रही, and I'm kind of stressed, but that is okay. We will figure that out, and let's just go. Let me just get my cab. I'm getting my cab's call. So bye. No, but not bye. Just wait.
तो आपको बाहर ही ड्रॉप कर दूं ताकि आपके भी 10 रुपये बच जाएंगे। वो अगर मैं अंदर घुसा ना गाड़ी लेके तो वो लोग मुझसे पार्किंग 10 रुपये लेते हैं।
हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात
ओके नहीं?
नहीं, हम लोग चले जाएंगे वहाँ।
So everyone, I arrived at Kamlapati, and look at the stage. It looks so beautiful. Let me just wait and zoom it on for you. Why you're not okay? So my camera is not working well. I arrived, and this is so amazing. It's my first time in Kamlapati, and it already looks so gorgeous. Wow.
छिड़क के रखा था,
सुनो, मुझे शूट करने दो.
ये मुझे दे दो, आप आपका काम है। एक काम करना, इसमें से 2-3 फ्लावर रख ले, तू छिड़क देना उस पे।
हाँ, रख लूँगी. यार मुझे ना entry. Here's the entry. Okay, so you're gonna have a big, huge. Yes, station है. For kind information, this is a station, railway station. Wow, 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 wow. I think है ना? हाँ, मेरी मम्मा ने बनाया था उनका एक like short, and look at this. This is like, it's a lounge area. यहाँ पे restaurant है एक. And wow, 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 so pretty. Elevator. Can you believe this is train ka station? Damn. So everyone, this is like the what? It's like second floor. वहाँ पे फोटो खिंचा सकते हैं. And wow. हाँ? Platform number 1. अभी तो टाइम है ना.
इधर से भी जा सकते हैं।
केसरिया तेरा. So everyone, this is the station, and it is so pretty. And this is me and her. Hi, bolo, hi. You are a guy. Ha 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 ha. I know, बहुत बुरा जोक था. मेरे को वैसे बोल. हाँ, खींचना है, फोटो खींचनी है. और अभी हम पी रहे हैं चाय. चाय. प्लेटफॉर्म आए. घर जाए. निकालना नहीं है, दे दो. मैं थोड़ी देर से ही ले लूँगी. वो वहाँ नहीं है, ठंडी हो जाएगी.
अच्छा है
एवरीवन आई जस्ट मतलब हम लोग घूम ही रहे थे बट अभी हम वेट कर रहे हैं, आने ही वाली है। सो गाइज आई जस्ट वांट शो यू अराउंड एंड ये जो फालतू में अपना चेहरा बना रहे हैं, इन्हें हमने पैसे दिए हैं ये सब करने। यस, ये हम लोग यहाँ वेट कर रहे हैं एंड देन दिस इज द लुक। मम्मी मेरी फोटो तो खींच दो यार।
चल कहाँ खींचना बता।
एवरीवन फॉर वाचिंग द वीडियो। हम लोग घर आ गए थे और रात काफ़ी हो गई थी तो मैंने कुछ शूट नहीं किया, बट यस माई फ्रेंड अराइव्ड gorgeous, looking gorgeous. But then thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Bye.